Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create a cover page in Word for an assignment. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Start menu and I just go to Word application from my laptop. So now I just want to create an assignment using the blank document over here. So I just want to create a cover page which has included in the Word, which has a new feature in the Word. So they have given provide the lot of template over here. So on top you will find lot of menu options. Just go to insert menu. So insert, the first menu is cover page. Just hit the button of the cover page. You will find a beautiful kind of cover page will be available. So you can choose a different styles and functionality to create a cover page. For example, if you want to add the image with this text or only text, everything will be available. So if you want more cover page, you can click here to go to the office.com to download the more cover pages. So I just choose some kind of cover pages. Automatically that cover page will be applied in my document as you see here. So you just want to type here or anything else you want to type, so according to the details. So HowXT docs kind of things, who was created, everything will be displayed here. So my system name and my company name, everything will be, I can type according to my needs. So I can able to change the images as well. So you just click here to change your images. So here there will be a change picture over here, so you can choose and load the picture from your laptop or desktop. You can choose whatever you want. So simple and easiest way to identify, to change your cover page or any type of things you can add as you see here. So simple and easiest way. If you want to remove the cover page, just go to insert menu to go to cover page and remove the current cover page so that you can add more cover page, so using this option. So simple and easiest tip, you can insert a beautiful cover page while you create a document over here as you see here. So this is my assignment. I just want to give for a formal way. So using the Word, I can create without any other download options or any other online sources. I just want to create with a clean neat means, use this cover page option. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.